Thanks, you got it all wired up?
It's all wired up.
Yeah, dude.
Wow. That's awesome.
An exhaust is mounted. There's a couple things that I can show you that we did here. Change that oil, which you brought oil last time. It's sitting over there.
Yeah.
And then ride that for like a little bit, and then change it again in like a week or two.
Yeah, the whole braking period we talked about.
And then if you want to attach this thing, you could do that as well. But basically, it's just gonna bolt in at the top and then zip tie on the bottom.
Yeah.
That one's definitely hot.
Alright, light green?
Light green, okay.
Teal, I don't know. Dark blue and white?
Nothing.
Both blacks.
Both blacks are hot.
Black and white. Oh fuck, what did we fuck up?
What happened? No tail light?
Oh.
Well, yeah,
Brake
but
light.
No, like,
Yeah,
constant.
no constant.
constant light.
Oh, there's lightning already.
If you ever take your battery out, when you put it back in, make sure the red hot wires are on the outside and the green are on the inside. Because if you were just to take this and touch it against metal, you would short. And then here's your fuse right here. So if you ever do short, it's right there.
Why?
Every goddamn ride.
Every time, dude. What the hell?
Every time we're supposed to do it. Here we go.
We got this baby on, nice and secure.
Gives you twice as many chances. There you go. There.
Yep.
Oh, she fucking live. Okay.
That was a shock, dude. Just gotta.
I put a lot of power into that one.
Dan just got 12 volts to the dome.
You're standing up. Oh, damn. Electricity scares
I'm
us.
awake now.
I would never
That's what we
do
want.
that.
Yeah, go for it.
We're good.
So,
We're good.
So we are good.
So the
We're getting
spark plug's good. So it means it has to do with the carb. Careful, not too hard, man. It's funneling through. What the hell could it be?
And everything has to be kind of just perfect. You know, like that idle screw was
Too
Really,
I went
done it.
I went too
Yeah,
hard.
very end.
Yeah.
Woo!
Well, fuck yeah, guys! Another one successfully joins the crew, dude.
So you have your ignition coil in here, right? So electricity, when it's running, is going to run through your ignition coil, through your spark plug. It's going to jump that little gap in your spark plug, ignite, and then that's how the electricity flows through there. Your ignition coil is literally a big coil of wire.
Right.
It's a long path for the electricity to go.
Yeah.
And the electricity is always going to take the shortest path. So that coil creates a really long path. It's got 12 volts, connect that to the brake switch, and then from the brake switch to your tail light, and then another wire that has key on 12 volts, we just connect that to the headlight. And then from there, we just eliminate all other key on 12 volts, like we just did.
Yeah.
And then everything just runs off this now. This helmet that's full of bugs and spider webs, you can have. You should definitely have a helmet.
Dude, you're smooth out there. was fun, dude.
Fell off your bike. That's good.
That's good test as well.
So far, I haven't noticed.
Yeah, it seems like your max speed is close to Nick's, you know? Doesn't seem like you're lagging behind.
I couldn't pass Nick.
I think you are faster than me though.
I think I could.
I bet you guys look the same to me, but maybe a few more tests, yeah.
Lighter.
Just loosen up and then you can't put your clutch in. Did you? Yeah.
Dude, the wheelie was sick.
This guy did 2 of them.
Yeah,
That were both pretty sweet.
he nailed it, man. The thick of it.